In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Quotex account. If your dashboard isn't showing in the language you're most comfortable with, don't worry. This is quick to fix, and I'll guide you through it clearly so you can follow along without missing a beat. First, open your web browser and go to the Quotex demo trading page. The demo area is a great place to make adjustments because it mirrors the live platform without affecting any real settings or funds. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that. Otherwise, you'll land right on the trading interface where we can access everything we need. Once the platform is open, look to the top right of the screen and click on your account icon. Depending on your layout, this might appear as your profile picture, your initials, or a small person or gear icon. On mobile, you may need to tap the menu or profile button first to reveal account options. This takes you into your account area where all your key preferences live. Inside the account area, head to the settings page and find the section labeled Language. It might be called Language, Interface Language, or simply have a globe icon next to it. Open that list to reveal all the available languages. You'll see a scrollable set of options, typically arranged alphabetically and sometimes accompanied by flags. This is where you control how the platform's menus, buttons, and labels are displayed. From the list, choose English. The change usually applies instantly. In many cases, the page will refresh on its own or briefly reload sections of the interface. If you don't see the update right away, give it a second or manually refresh your browser. After the switch, double-check a few common areas: the main navigation, chart tools, and order panel, to confirm the interface text is now in English. This change affects the platform's display language only. It won't alter your account data, existing trades, or market information. A couple of helpful tips as you finish up. If you're using a smaller screen, you might need to scroll within the settings window to find the language option. If you ever select the wrong language by accident, just return to the same language menu and choose English again. Look for the globe icon if the labels are unfamiliar. And if you use Quotex on more than one device, repeat this change wherever needed so the interface matches across your setup. That's it. Your Quotex account is now set to English. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a platform that's easier to read and faster to navigate.